Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this latest video I'm just showing the jig I've recently built from a battleship Yamato. So before we start the planking, I just want to show you this jig I made last week. If anyone remembered in my last video when I was working on the planking, I was getting a bit fed up with obviously all this rocking motion when you're trying to put it on the right side, you know, when you're trying to plank and you're going there. So thinking about it, I decided to just knock up this little simple jig. It's just mainly a case of like a central support plank that's been obviously tapered towards the bow, obviously tapered towards the stern. And it's just fitted on two anchor points where I can control these little knobs, where I can control the pitch and the roll. So if I want to plank on this section, I can put it in that position and then lock it off either side. It's just a case of just a threaded bar. 10 minutes later. So it's a very simple construction on each end. It's just like a T-support. I've got two holes so I can move it up and down if I need to be a little bit higher, but at the minute I just have it set on the centre one. And then obviously just in the end of the jig is just a little nut. And I've got a threaded bar and I just put a little locking nut on the end so I can just turn it and lock it in. So it's a case of just pop it down the hole and just thread it back into the bar. So I'm just going to bring the Yamato back. Put a few little clamps on, just hold it down. So now it's just, obviously when I want to work on different sections, I can just unscrew the little threaded bars and I can tilt kind of pretty much wherever I want. Obviously working on the port side, still got to swap it over when I work on the starboard side. It just makes it a little bit more easier and supporting it. And for planking, I like to be in this position. I think you see it's a kind of good angle. So we'll lock this off. After looking back on this video and looking back at the jig, I can see there's so many ways I can improve it. So in the future when I do decide to make a video of building this jig, I'll probably make a different version. So I just want to say thank you for watching this latest video. I go off in different directions sometimes. I've always got little ideas going off in my head. So if you'd like to see more of these kind of videos where I just obviously something pops in my head and I decide to go and make like a jig for something, after making the Yamato jig, I'm now looking at me HMS Victory thinking, yeah, that would have been easy with a jig. So yeah, so in the future I'll be probably making like a plank on frame jig. So anyway, I just want to say thank you to everybody who's subscribed to my channel recently. I've had obviously these last 6 weeks I've probably doubled my subscribers, so yeah, I just want to say a big thank you to everybody that takes any time to watch my videos. If people didn't watch my videos and there's no point in making them, so yeah, it means a lot. Thank you all.